Starting YouTube is one of those things that I think a lot of people want to do, and it can be very challenging. It's not like it's challenging to record something and upload it. Like, technically, that's really simple. But if you've never tried to do it, there's a lot more hurdles than you would ever think. And I think what's interesting is most of those hurdles are actually brought upon yourself. I really think they are mostly created by fear of the unknown. And, excuse me, that's something that I've experienced while trying to make YouTube videos and channels. I have multiple channels, and, this is just one of them. This is kind of a more personal channel. I also have a technical channel, and it's just amazing the number of hurdles you encounter. I mean, for one, I have so much equipment now that I've bought because I feel as though I need to buy that equipment. But really, the reason I've bought that equipment is because, I want I want better lighting, because I want to make sure that no one's going to criticize how bad my lighting is, and I want to make sure that I have a good microphone, because I really want to make sure that I have good audio. And I have an expensive webcam because I want to make sure that the video is good. But out of all of that stuff, great lighting, awesome webcam, awesome audio, whatever, you almost forget that you have to make good content. And there's loads of YouTube videos that tell you how to make YouTube videos. And they're like, hey, make a good thumbnail, do this, do that, optimize this, optimize that. You know what? You can't optimize nothing. Okay? You can optimize things that you have. You can't optimize something that you don't have. And just right there, the furnace just turned on. Right? Should I be mad about that? No. Am I frustrated about it? Yeah. Because I'm in the middle of recording this video and I forgot to turn it off. But luckily, I have a remote thermostat now, and I can turn it off from my phone. I spent $100 on a remote thermostat so I could turn the stupid furnace off. So many hurdles. And then on my technical channel, I'll post a video, and someone, I'll leave a comment and be like, man, you seem really dumb. Do I really seem that dumb? Like, my videos are fairly technical, and maybe, you could argue that maybe I don't know everything in the video. I get that. But why would you argue that, right? Why don't people just move on? If someone, God, would you go to a school where a kid's learning and be like, you're dumb because you don't know algebra? Like, well, they're learning. They're experimenting. Leave them alone, Like, it's tough. It's really tough, because I think if you ever read the comments on YouTube videos, you see some of the crap that people put up with. And, I'm guilty of leaving crappy comments too, where I was probably being more of a smartass than I needed to be. It's not really cool. We should be in an environment that is encouraging, and we are the ambassadors, I guess, of that culture. If you want that culture, you have to do something to make it. And so, yeah, I mean, I really think that there's a lot of fear that we create from our own worries. Maybe you want to start a cooking channel and you think, man, people aren't going to like what I have. Maybe the fear is just of not succeeding. Like, you get, a month, 2 months, 3 months, you've been posting daily or weekly, and no one's subscribing, no one's liking, no one's commenting. There's no engagement whatsoever from the community, and you feel as though you're failing. That you're failing, right? Is kind of unavoidable, and I think I figured it out. Like, I think you really just gotta, somewhere along the line, you've just got to choose to not care anymore, right? Because my goal as a YouTuber is to share my life, my ideas, my wisdom, maybe my lack of wisdom. I want to share those things, and they're never going to be perfect. My audio is going to be messed up. The stupid furnace is going to turn on in the middle. My kids are going to run right across my office, and they're just going to stomp like elephants. And that's just what's going to happen. And then I'm going to get really frustrated in the middle of everything. I'm like, great, now I've got to slice this video up, and man, it's going to take forever. And slicing videos and editing them, and if you're not good at it, which I mean, I'm reasonably competent, but it still takes forever. If I can just have a video that I don't have to edit and I can just drop and upload, man, is it quicker. And you know, I see these people that have channels, and you know, their house looks perfect, right? Just perfect. Like, I don't know what their mortgage is, but man, what I wouldn't give to have a house like that. But I'm not getting into debt for it. But you know, no judgment there. It's just the houses are perfect. Everything is perfect. Like, they must have spent a lot of money for the perfect lighting and perfect everything. And they're talking about their YouTube channels, and they're talking about the same thing. They're also mentioning this fear of rejection and different stuff that they have. And I'm like, I feel bad for them, because it just kind of eats you alive, you know? So, yeah. You know, my goal right now is to record videos, get comfortable with it, get comfortable talking to the camera. I'm really not scripting a lot of what I'm saying. I'm just kind of going with it, and I think that's the way to go, because I need to get good at talking to the camera. And I like it. I like it when it's not scripted. I can just be myself, and I think it comes across as more genuine. And, you know, maybe I'll upload 1,000 videos, and maybe I'll only have 10 subscribers, but at least they'll be real subscribers, right? Yeah, I don't know. I think not caring but not caring, right? Like, someone can criticize me, whatever, man. Criticize all you want. Maybe you think I'm dumb. Maybe you think my hair isn't done correctly. I don't know. I don't care. I just want to post what I want to post. There's nothing like trying to talk to somebody and they just interrupt you and be like, hey, look at that painting, right? Like, you're not my audience. If you've just got a bunch of criticism to give about the quality of my video, or you think that I'm dumb, all right, you know what? I guess I need someone dumber than me to watch my videos so that they think I'm smart. Like, I don't know. I don't know, I'm kind of talking about this as though there's a comment that was recently left that got to me or something, but that's not actually the case. But comments used to get to me. And now I think, like, why would you waste your time leaving me that kind of negativity? Yep. I mean, I think I'm progressing. I wouldn't have recorded this video with all this mess right here. But here I am, not giving a crap. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hey, do me a favor and like the video if you liked it. And, yeah, maybe I'll see you around again. See ya.